Hello to all my YouTube viewers. I just had to do this video. We have been hit with what is now being called the blizzard of 2013. It's been crazy. All throughout New England, from here in Maine all the way down to Connecticut, it's been horrible. The weather has been ridiculous. There's been 84-mile-per-hour wind gusts on Cape Cod in Massachusetts. There have been reports of 38 inches of snow in parts of Connecticut. Here where I live in Portland, Maine, the official measurement as of 9 a.m. this morning was 29.6 inches. I have never seen a storm like this in my life. It's just crazy. The wind gusts, coastal flooding, it's all just crazy. There is actually a house in Gloucester, Massachusetts that sits on a cliff that is in danger of washing into the ocean. It's all just crazy. I've been glued to my TV listening to all of this, and it's crazy. It's mind-boggling. I've never seen it before. There's been complete travel bans. No one is allowed on the road except for emergencies in Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. States of emergency have been declared all throughout New England, all 6 New England states. Vermont was spared, all except for the southern part of the state. But here on the coast, we just got whacked really bad. I just thought that, people that don't live near New England or have never been here and have never heard about a storm like this, I thought I'd post a video just talking about it real briefly. And I will be doing another video right after this one, just showing what it looks like outside my window. This morning, before plowing and shoveling started, I had 4-foot snowdrifts outside my window here. It's insane. So I am going to end this video here, and the next video will be just what it looks like outside, and it is still snowing here. So we probably pretty much have closing in maybe on 31, 32 inches of snow right now. It's just unbelievable. So next video will be just what it looks like outside my window. So I will say goodbye for this video and enjoy the next video. Seeing what it looks like outside my window. It's crazy. So until next video, I'll see everybody later. Bye.